In this video, we're going to discuss the IfFileExists command, and we're also going to do an example of how to use the IfFileExists. Let's first go ahead and create a new macro by right-clicking anywhere in this white area and clicking New Macro. Let's go ahead and choose No Activation and Scripting Editor. In this video, we're going to discuss if the file exists, if it doesn't exist, if the file is ready, if the file isn't ready, if the folder exists, and if the folder does not exist. First, go ahead and click on the command files folders category, so it drops down here, and you're going to locate the command IfFileExists and double click. Now, the reason why you would use the IfFileExists is to check to make sure a file exists on the computer and then continue doing whatever's in that Endif statement. So first we need to have a file for it to work correctly. Let's go to Start, Programs, Accessories, Notepad. Next, let's save this document by going File, Save, and specifying a location. I'm going to choose Save In on my C drive and name this Test. You can save this anywhere you want. Okay, next let's go ahead and minimize, or actually just close this notepad out. And now we can specify a file name because we actually do have a file. So let's press Browse and click in the Look-In directory, go to C drive, and specify Test. Now, another function that is available for us is the Use Search Path. And this is in case you have a file that just normally exists on Windows, say notepad.exe. You can specify in the file name C drive Windows /notepad.exe, or you can click this Use Search Path and simply type in notepad.exe located in the file name, and it will actually go out and locate the notepad executable. In this exercise, we're not going to do that, however, we're just going to click OK. Now that we have our if statement, we need some type of action or something that allows us to tell that this is actually taking place. So what I'm going to use is a dialog and a text box display. I'm just going to say, hello, this is finding the file, and clicking OK. Now in this statement, I'm also going to use another logic statement called else. And what this does is it says, okay, if this file exists, do this, else do whatever I specify now. So now I'm going to add another dialog, text box display, and have it say this file does not exist. And go ahead and press OK. Now we've got our statement, so we also need to put an end if statement. We can either locate this in the logic category, or we can go back into that files category and locate endif. Endif is a statement that's almost in all the categories because it's used so frequently for anything that says if this file or if this folder does this, anything that has the if in front of it. So let's go ahead and press endif. And now we have our statement, if file exists, text.txt, do this, else do this, and then endif. Let's go ahead and press play. Now our result located the file, so it says, hello, this is finding the file. Let's go ahead and press OK. Let's go to our hard drive by clicking the desktop icon, show desktop, and going my computer, C drive, and deleting this test.txt. Press yes here, and minimize. Now if we go back into Macro Express and press play again, you'll notice that it says this file does not exist. And this concludes our tutorial, so thanks for watching.